Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very awesome video for you. I'm going to be unboxing the new Vino subscription box, and inside you get some self-care stuff and wine. So you definitely want to stay tuned and see what's inside of this box. I just got my very first Vino in the mail. How exciting! It comes in this huge old package, and I did get a few goodies. So on top is this Vino box, and on the I'm missing a wine, unless it's in here. Yeah. What? So this is the Mad Love Chenin Blanc wine. It's a Blanc South African wine. Looks very beautiful. Excited to give this a whirl. Oh, there's more wine on the bottom. Okay. Ah. Ta-da! So far, 3 bottles of wine. This is, let's see. This is the Ruby Red Sweet Wine. And this is Spectral Moscato California wine. I thought I was only getting 2 wines, not 3. But I ain't complaining. So I believe I paid $50 for this and I only got 1 month. So let's see, we already got 3 bottles of wine. It comes with 2 bottles and I got a third for free for signing up. So, oh, for me? Vino. Sips and surprises. So inside is this little pamphlet, and it tells you everything that you got. Seems to be a lot, so we'll go over this last and go over the prices. So first thing I'm pulling out is the Daily Concepts Your Hair Wrap Towel, and this is basically one of those twist tie towels that this is like very dusty. So that's got like a lot of dust all over it. Next, I'm pulling out Amika Signature Room Fragrance. So I'm assuming this is an air freshener. It doesn't smell bad. Trying to pinpoint the smell. I don't know if I would like use this in my... It smells like a mixture between... You know what it smells like? It smells like my granddad. That's what it kind of smells like. But like that kind of cologne that like I guess grandfathers wear. That's so stupid. I hate myself for explaining it like that. Alright, next item. Ooh, Salty Sweet Friends. This is sea salt caramel. Yum! This gift helps support at-risk children. Thank you. At risk for what? I'm sure the thingy will tell me. I used to have this really awesome hemps or whatever, and I can't remember what the fragrance was, but it had this beautiful picture on it. I This is really dusty too. It's fine. Alright. But I love Hemp's. Hemp's is such a great brand. I love all of their lotions. I think that's the only thing I've tried from Hemp's, to be honest. But their lotions are phenomenal. So great. So put that right next to my table. Next thing I'm pulling out is this strawberry slice sheet mask. Oh, I think I've seen these before. I think like you take these off and you put them on your face like as stickers. What's her name? Victoria Lynn. I saw her do it with sunflowers. She has an amazing channel. You guys should definitely check her out. I will try to find it and link it for you. I want to make sure I got everything. I just looked at myself and I feel so white. I just got color matched for this foundation and it's nice, but my whole face and like chest is so much lighter than my arms, which that was awesome. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm trying to like squint. For me? Everything keeps falling. The Amika Room Fragrance retails for $28. Hemp's Herbal Body Moisturizer retails for $23. This Daily Concepts Hair Towel Wrap retails for $18. Salty Sweet Friends Sea Salt Caramels retail for $8. Cocoa Star? Cocoa? Star Sheet Mask retails for $5. Each wine retails for $21 to $26 each. Vino is $50 a month, and this month's box, everything valued to $124+. It comes with information on each item that you receive. I just found out that I was supposed to have shaken the room fragrance before I sprayed it, but it's okay. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Go check out Vino if you liked what you saw. I really liked it a lot. I'm excited to see what else is in it. Everything was kind of dusty, but I don't know if that's from the paper confetti that's inside of the box, which that might be the case. If not, then I guess that they were sitting in the box for a while, but I'm pretty sure it's just like the paper confetti dust from that. Alright, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will leave those linked somewhere. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. So I'm really excited to try these Salty Sweet Friends chews. So like, it looks like there's a Laffy Taffy in there. And then there's this guy. Damn, that's good. I feel like I have chocolate in my teeth. So I know it's a pretty big piece of candy, but there was a lot of caramel in there. It was so good. I'm gonna try, because there's like a, it looked like a Laffy Taffy, not a Laffy Taffy, a saltwater taffy piece in there. So I'm gonna try that later. I have really sensitive teeth, so I have to go brush them now because they're stabbing my brain.